Welcome to the latest edition of Holland Investments News for August 18, 2024. Today, we cover key developments in global real estate markets, from innovative smart city projects to the rising demand for sustainable housing. Whether you're an investor or an industry professional, these updates will keep you informed about the latest trends and opportunities in the real estate sector. Dubai's off-plan property market sees record sales. Dubai's off-plan property market is experiencing record sales, driven by new luxury developments and favorable payment plans. Areas like Dubai Creek Harbour and Jumeirah Village Circle are seeing particularly high demand, attracting both local and international buyers looking to invest in the city's future growth. London's prime real estate market recovers strongly. London's prime real estate market is recovering strongly after a period of uncertainty. High-end properties in areas like Kensington and Chelsea are back in demand, with foreign investors showing renewed interest. This recovery is attributed to stabilizing economic conditions and London's continued appeal as a global financial hub. Saudi Arabia's Red Sea project expands to new phases. Saudi Arabia's ambitious Red Sea project is expanding into new phases, offering a range of luxury resorts and residential properties. This project is part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 initiative and is expected to become a major tourist and investment destination in the region, with sustainable practices at its core. Smart city developments accelerate in Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia is accelerating its smart city developments, with countries like Malaysia and Thailand leading the charge. These projects focus on integrating advanced technology into urban planning, improving sustainability, and enhancing the quality of life for residents. Investors are keen to participate in these forward-looking developments. Germany's affordable housing projects gain momentum. Germany is seeing significant progress in its affordable housing initiatives, particularly in cities like Berlin and Munich. Government support and private sector investment are driving the construction of new, cost-effective housing units, addressing the growing demand from middle-income families in urban areas. Australia's coastal property market attracts international buyers. Australia's coastal property market is attracting a surge of international buyers, particularly in regions like Queensland and New South Wales. These areas offer a combination of natural beauty and high-quality living standards, making them popular among those seeking vacation homes or permanent residences. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, focus on sustainable assets. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are increasingly focusing on sustainable assets, driven by growing investor demand for environmentally responsible investments. This shift is particularly evident in sectors like green office spaces, renewable energy facilities, and eco-friendly residential developments. Demand for co-living spaces rises in major cities. The demand for co-living spaces is rising in major cities around the world, including New York, Tokyo, and Berlin. These spaces offer flexible living arrangements and community-focused amenities, appealing particularly to young professionals and digital nomads. Investors are capitalizing on this trend by developing new co-living projects in urban centers. Brazil's commercial real estate market shows resilience. Brazil's commercial real estate market is showing resilience despite economic challenges. Cities like São Paulo and Rio de Janeiro are seeing steady demand for office spaces and retail properties, supported by a growing middle class and increased foreign investment. Spain's rural property market gains attention. Spain's rural property market is gaining attention as more buyers seek to escape crowded cities and embrace a slower pace of life. Regions like Andalusia and Catalonia are becoming popular for their affordable properties, scenic landscapes, and potential for renovation and development. Stay tuned to Holland Investments News for daily insights into the global real estate market. Our comprehensive updates ensure you stay informed about the latest trends, opportunities, and developments that matter most.